Meaning of erogenous zone.
Erogenous zone.
Erogenous zone.
Erogenous zone.
Erogenous zone. An erogenous zone is an area of the body that produces sexual arousal or pleasure when stimulated. These areas are highly sensitive to touch, and their stimulation can lead to sexual excitement and orgasm. Common erogenous zones include the genitals, breasts, lips, neck, and ears. Each person's erogenous zones may vary in sensitivity and location. Understanding and exploring one's own erogenous zones can enhance sexual experiences and intimacy with a partner. Adequate communication about these preferences with a partner can lead to a more fulfilling sexual relationship.